if you would love to see how I achieve this beautiful mini twist and twist out hairstyle using a very realistic 3-in-1 kinky half wig that looks just like my natural hair, it blends so well with my natural hair. Just look at this twist out. Please do keep on watching. I'm just going to start by parting my hair into 2 sections, okay? One section in front and then one at the back. So the section in front is where I'm going to be braiding the cornrows. So just part it like this, right from right behind my ear. Do you guys see it? Just right behind my ear. For the cornrows, I don't really have a style in mind yet. We're just going to go with the flow, okay? And I'm not going to be adding any extensions to the cornrow. I'm just going to braid with my hair. So to clean my parts, I'm going to go in with this foisting hair wax. You guys, I love this hair wax so much. It gets the job done. It gets the job done. I tried it once and I fell in love with it. So this is my second container. I'm sure you can get it from any beauty supply store around you. It works really well because I have natural hair, but this product works quite well for my natural hair. I'm taking this section, this first section, and I'm going to divide it into 3. Watch what I'm doing here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So that will be my guide. Then just going to start braiding. So I start picking more hair or adding more hair as I continue to braid. Okay, that's just it. So for the ends, I'll be twisting. Okay, I'm going to twist the end. Then part it into 2, squeeze, then twist. Just like this. Just like this. So this hair is from HerGivenHair. It's their Afro Kinky 3-in-1. It's their 3-in-1 Afro Kinky hair, and this is what it looks like. I twisted it out. I'm going to insert a video of how I achieve this look with that wig. Okay, so you guys will see that. One of the ways I used to maintain this kinky wig from HerGivenHair is just by using water and leave-in conditioner. So this bottle just contains water. Okay, no leave-in conditioner has been added, and just look at it. The moment the hair gets into contact with water, it becomes softer. Next, I went in with my leave-in conditioner. Make sure you apply a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner, and just look at how smooth and easy this hair has been detangled. So I was going for mini twists. So yeah, I did that with a wig. You guys, I wanted the braids, the kinky hair to blend in very well with my natural hair. So what I did was to take like each strands and then braided 2 different twists instead of just one. Okay, so yeah, I just separated each of the cornrow braids and then just did 2 twists like that. So yeah, it's looking pretty good now. So now I want to make it into a twist out. Okay, so I want to do a twist out. So I'm just quickly going to take the hair and then just twist them out one after the other. This is going to take a lot of time, but yeah. Ooh. Okay, that kills the juices, so I don't mind. If you enjoyed this beautiful hair tutorial, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also turn on the post notifications bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Peace.